Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is user groups in settings menu. When you start using Finty, you'll find 3 default user groups: repairman, personnel, including roles like accountant, receptionist, and etc., and clients, who are the people you buy from or sell to. Here's how it works. When you add a new user, they're automatically assigned to the clients group. As you see, the default is clients. Let's see it in action. Let's go to Users menu, Users, and New to add a new user. You'll notice the default is set to Clients, as you see in User Groups. And this is the list of the user groups: Clients, Personnel, and Repairman. Let's close this and go back to Settings menu, User Groups, and let's change the default to, for example, Repairman. And you'll see the update in the Users menu. Let's go to Users menu again, New, and as you see, user group is Repairman now. Let's go back. If your business mainly deals with selling products or services to clients, keep clients as the default. You can create different user groups and choose if they are default, personnel, or repairman. If a user group doesn't fit into these, you can leave them without any designation. Please note that these 2 user groups, personnel and repairmen, are the people who work for you in your repair shop or store or in your company. So these 2 user groups are your personnel. But if you mostly interact with specific groups, like for example, let's say laptop part distributors, create a group called distributors. Let's go ahead and do that. Distributors, and save. And since they are not your main clients or part of your personnel or repairmen, there is no need to set them as default. The user group system lets you organize users based on your business needs, and if the 3 default user groups work for you, that's totally fine. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye.